everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in series of learning in 5-minute read from ChatGPT, let's learn something new today from ChatGPT. So let's type the prompt. Tell me something new today in series of learning in 5-minute read. I will enter here. Let's see what ChatGPT is suggesting. Learn something new in 5 minutes. The Zeigarnik Effect. Have you ever noticed that an unfinished task keeps popping into your mind while completed tasks are quickly forgotten? This psychological phenomenon is called the Zeigarnik Effect. How was it discovered? So in 1920s, Russian psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik observed that waiters remembered unpaid orders much better than paid ones. Once a bill was settled, they often forgot the details. This led to discovery that our brain naturally keep unfinished tasks active in the memory. Why does it happen? When you start a task, your brain creates a kind of mental tension. If the task is completed, tension is released. If the task remains unfinished, the brain keeps reminding you about it. That's why you keep thinking about an unfinished assignment. An unanswered message stays on your mind. A TV serial cliffhanger makes you want the next episode immediately. Real life examples includes student and incomplete chapters keeps bothering them more than one they have finished. Professionals, pending work often occupies mental space even after office hours. Entertainments, movies and shows are cliffhangers to keep audience engaged. How can you use it to your advantage? Instead of waiting for motivation, start a task for just 5 minutes. Stop if you want. Your brain will continue thinking about it. You will feel a stronger urge to return and finish it. This is why beginning is often the hardest part and the most important. A simple productivity trick: if you are avoiding a big task, don't tell yourself, I need to finish everything. Tell yourself, I will just start for 5 minutes. Once started, the Zeigarnik Effect often does the rest. Key takeaway: your brain dislikes the unfinished business. Use that tendency wisely and start small, create momentum, and let your mind help pull you towards completion. The one-line wisdom, it is written, the secret to finishing a task is often not motivation, it's simply starting. So that was the great reading of today. Like, if you want to finish any task, you have to just start it, and then rest of the work will be done by you with the help of Zeigarnik Effect in a speedy manner. So I hope you understood this effect and you understood this learning in 5-minute read. So we will meet in our next video. Thank you very much.